Check out this 2012 BMW Z4 sDrive35i Roadster with low miles, only 76,000. This stunning Roadster comes with an amazing dealer service history, including 36 records and recent service valued at over $2,400. It's also got current Georgia state emissions, so you can drive with confidence. This BMW is a dealer-certified pre-owned vehicle, backed by our Quality Plus warranty, 3 months or 3,000 miles of coverage. Plus, you can add a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price when you buy. Recent service includes spark plugs, ignition coils, air filter, front brake pads, and much more. And for added peace of mind, ask about upgrading to a lifetime warranty at the time of sale. As always, we encourage a pre-purchase inspection to ensure you're making the right choice. Please note, any price reductions or discounts will void the CPO status and warranty, so act quickly to lock in all the benefits. This 2012 BMW Z4 sDrive35i Roadster is the perfect blend of performance, luxury, and peace of mind. Don't miss out. Come see it today.